viewers, is your mathematics teacher in the Maxwell. Happy New Month to you all. Last class I gave an assignment, so let's do the correction of the assignment. Number one question is give 45,775 correct to one significant figure, which is SM. If you look at this 5, how many digits does this number have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 digits. So this 4, the 4 is the first significant figure, the first non-zero digit. So look at the decider. Decider is 5. If you are approximating or estimating, if your decider is 0 from 0 to 4, you disregard the number. And if your decider is from 5 to 9, you add 1 to the number you are approximating or estimating. So in this case, 4 is our first significant figure, so we are approximating it. 5 is our decider, so 5 is part of the range that you add 1 to the next number. So 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So how many numbers do we have after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 numbers will come to 0. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the first significant figure. The second significant figure in this case is 5, and the decider is 7. 7 is part of the range of 5 to 9. So you add 1 into 5, that would make it 6. So it will be 46. How many numbers are behind 5? 1, 2, 3. So you turn those 3 numbers to 0. That is the second significant figure. Number 3. Second is third significant. The third one is this. Then the decider is 7, which is the same thing. So you add 1 into 7, that will make it 8. That will be 45,008. Then these two numbers will come to 0. That will be 0, 0. That's 45,800. 3 significant figures. Then the number approximating to the fourth, which is this. So 5 is the decider. 5 is the range of 5 to 9. So you add 1 to the decider, to the number. That is 7. That will be 45,780. First significant figure. Number 2, which is 3.4188. A. Give 3.4188 correct to a first significant figure. The first significant figure in this number is this 3, which is the whole number. But in this case, they say we should approximate the first significant figure. The first significant figure is 3. So the decider is what? Is 4. And the 4 is what? The 4 is in the range of 0 to 4. So you disregard the number. That will be 3. This is the first significant. No, it will be 3. But the remaining numbers will turn to 0, 0. So that will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Which is the first significant figure. B. The second significant figure. The second significant figure is 3. 1 is in the range of 0 to 1 to 4. So you disregard the number. That will be 3.4000. Second significant figure. C. Third significant figure. 1 is the third significant figure. The decider is 8. 8 is in the range of 5 to 9. So you add 1 into this one here. That will make it 2. That will be 3.42. Then the 2 remaining 8 there will turn to 0. That will be 3 significant figure. D, which is the last one, 4 significant figure. The fourth significant figure here is 8. And the decider is 8. So 8 is part of the range of 5 to 9. So add 1 to that 8. That will be 9. That will be 3.4190. That is the fourth significant figure. So let's go enter into today's class, which is approximation. Before we start today's class, let my younger brother quickly solve this question. How many decimal places is in this number? 0.001000. Firstly, what you have to note is that the zeros before the significant figure, not 0-digit number, are counted useful as a significant figure, while the zeros after the non-zero-digit number are considered disregarded. So if we are to find how many decimal places, it will be 3 decimal places, because of this is significant, this and this are significant. That is why there are 3 decimal places on the question. Topic is approximation. Approximation can help us to decide whether an answer to a calculation is of right answer or not. Remember that approximation is not used to find the accurate answer to a calculation. It's not used to find the accurate answer to a calculation. To work out an approximation, round the numbers to either one significant figure or whole number. You can either round it up to one significant figure, two significant figure, or a whole number. So this approximation, you can involve it in the four basic operations. What are four basic operations? You all know it as plus, minus, times, and division. These are the four basic operations. So let's first deal with addition and subtraction. Let's go for examples. Number one is, what is the approximated answer to each of the following, which is 67.5 plus 73.6. This case, we can do it two things. It's either we approximate it to the nearest whole number or one significant figure. But because of time, assuming there was time, I would have done two, but let's go for one significant figure. Which in these three figure, which one is the first significant figure? 6 is the first significant figure, and 7 is decided. 7 is in the range of 5 to 9, so you add 1 into 6, it becomes 7. Then this 7 becomes 0. Then the 5 here becomes 0. Plus this is 7. The 7 here is the first significant figure, and the decided is 3. 3 is in the range of 0 to 4, so you disregard the number, that will become 70.0. That is 70 plus 70, that is 140. If you add this, your answer will be close to this 140. So let's go for number 2. 3072 minus 1065. Let's approximate each of these to one significant figure. So 3 is the first significant figure, and the second is 0. 0 is in the range of 0 to 4. So you disregard the number, that will become 3000 minus 1 is the first significant figure. This one is the second significant figure. 1 is in the range from 0 to 4, so disregard the number, that will become 1000. So 3000 minus 1000, that is 2000. So we just did approximation involving addition and subtraction. So let's involve multiplication and division. We are entering into multiplication and division. Let's take some examples. Find the approximated answer to 431 times 98. So we first approximate each of them to one significant figure. Let's go for 431. 431, 4 is the first significant figure, and 3 is the decider. So 3 is part of the range of 0 to 4, so you disregard the number. That will be 400 times 9 is the first significant figure, and 8 is the decider. 8 is in the range of 5 to 9, so add 1 to 9, that will make it 10. Then this 8 turns to 0, that is 100. So 400 times 100, that will be equal to 4. Then put in 4. How many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. 817 times 448 over 19. Because of 8 is the first significant figure, 1 is decider. So it's in the range of 0 to 4. So you disregard the number, that will turn into 800. Times 4 is the decider, is the first significant figure. 8 is the decider, and it's in the range of 5 to 9. You add 1 into this 4, that will make it 5. Then this 8 turns to 0, that will be 50. 1 is the first significant figure, 9 is the decider, is in part of range 5 to 9. So you add 1 into this 1, that will make it 2. That 9 will turn into 0, that will make it 20. So this 0 cancel this 0. This will cancel this 1. This 2 cancel here. 2 here, 400. How is 400? Because 8 divided by 2, that will be 4. Then you put the 0 up. That will be 400 times 5 times 4 first, which is 20. Equals to 20. Then add the 2 zeros, that will make it 2000. So let's check for the actual value if they correspond to each other. Actual value for each of these questions are: number 1 is 431 times 19, which is 42,238. If you approximate this to the first significant figure, which is 4, the rest of this number will come to 0. So it will make this number, which is 40,000. Number 2 is 2064. If you approximate it to one significant figure, it will give you this 2000. So this we've come to the end of today's class. Let me give you an assignment. Come to the end of this class. Don't forget to please attempt the assignments and submit to the following email addresses. And next class we'll be discussing on basic algebra, use of symbols. Then don't forget to like, share, and comment, or subscribe to Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube.